welcome back to another video, and today we have another Vibora construction update. Walking in, it looks like they have flattened out this area, and I'm very excited for this dive coaster. Other than flattening, not much else has happened. Walking up, not much looks different than last time. I did see that the project was approved, so work should be starting March 1st. Yet again, not much work on El Diablo. Looking back here, not much else has changed. But yeah, this is pretty exciting that Vibora is officially gone, and all they have to do now is just take down El Diablo, because work does start March 1st. As you can see from up here, not much has changed over there other than just them flattening out. But soon it'll look different because work should be starting March 1st. And to get a good scale of this dive coaster, just go up to the oil derrick and look straight down, and that's how tall the drop is going to be. That does conclude it for today's Vibora construction update. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day. And I will be posting these as much as often. And next update should be whenever they start pouring footers, or at least breaking ground.